episode. My name is Flynn and this is Moon.
Hi, my name is Miss Allison. I am the Youth Engagement Coordinator at the Hamilton East Public Library, and today Flynn and I are going to make some fake snow to play with. This is a really easy activity to do with your preschooler. Are you ready, Flynn?
Yes.
All right, so first you need baking soda and any white conditioner. Buy the cheapest that you can. So we're going to take 3 cups of baking soda and a half a cup of conditioner and just mix it together. You ready?
Yes, done.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
All right, can you dump it in there?
Let's
1,
8.
2, 3. Okay, can you dump that in? There you go. Good job. Okay, good job, buddy. All right, let's mix it up.
Oh, this is so cool.
This is so cool.
Yes. Oh, good.
Okay. All right, once it's good and mixed, you can dump it on a tray and have fun playing with your fake snow. You ready?
Yep.
Go. There you go. Can you play with it? It smells great. Does it feel like snow?
Yes. For he so mean. He wanted.
You do keep it on the tray. Good job. You can keep it in a Ziploc bag and play with it for a few days. Have fun. Bye.